Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today, we have made it to day number 149 of this My Lead Gen Secret ClickBank Challenge. And if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we are shooting a 1 year challenge, a 365-day challenge, where we are promoting one offer on ClickBank, and we're using a service called My Legion Secrets. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a full-time income doing so within 1 year. All right. So go back and watch these previous videos, guys, so you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing, where we started, and where we are right now. Okay, so we are on day number 149. Let's go ahead and hop on over here to the My Legion Secret system. Now, if you guys don't know what My Legion Secret is, My Legion Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single, excuse me. So every day that you come into this back office, you're going to see either 100 or 200 new leads. Okay. Now, what separates the two is going to determine how many accounts that you have. Okay. So the more accounts that you have, the more leads that you're going to get. Okay. So say, for instance, if you have one account, you're only going to get 100 leads. Okay. But if you have two accounts, you're going to get 200 leads and then 100 leads on the last account. So the whole idea here, guys, the My Legion Secret, they allow you to have multiple accounts. Okay. So the more accounts that you have, the more 200 new subscribers that you'll have coming in per account. Okay. So right now I have 8 different accounts. Okay. And I'm getting 200 subscribers on all of my accounts. Right. So and how you do that, guys, is you sign up. Once you sign up today under, I'm going to give you a link to sign up. Once you sign up for your first account, all your other accounts, you're going to sign up under yourself. Okay. So that's how you're going to be able to do it and be able to get those multiple accounts. Okay. And to be able to get those 200 leads. All right. So just a little bit about myself, back history with me and My Legion Secret. I've been with My Legion Secrets over a few years now. Okay. I totally love the service. I've been doing this for a while now, guys, sending out emails. I can tell you that this stuff does work. It does convert. Okay. This is real traffic and you will get sales. Okay. And that's just how it is. Okay. My history of me being with them, I can come here now and tell you guys that the stuff does work and I am getting paid right now doing this method. So I just want to let you know all this stuff is legit. The only thing is that this is cold traffic. Okay. This is not some kind of get rich quick scheme. This is going to be something that you're going to have to put work into. You're going to have to send these emails out every single day. Okay. So I just wanted to let you know that this is just not something that you're going to be able to do. Come in, send out an email, and then, become a millionaire by next week. Okay. It just doesn't work that way. All right. So just a little bit about the My Legion Secret system. What you're going to be able to do with this My Legion Secret, you're going to come in and you're going to send out emails every single day. Okay, so every 24 hours, My Legion Secret allows you to send out an email to your subscribers in the list. Okay, so these lists can get up to thousands and thousands of people. Okay, so right now, some of my accounts I have a lot of subscribers, okay? Over 200,000 subscribers, okay? So, the My Legion Secret allows you to send out an email to all of those subscribers, okay? And you're going to be able to send out an affiliate link attached to that email, okay? So when that email goes out, there's going to be your affiliate link for whatever program that you're promoting. And then you're going to get eyeballs to your affiliate link. And then in return, you're going to possibly get people to sign up and buy from you. Okay. That's the whole goal, is to get someone to take action on our affiliate page. All right. So, your back office is going to look exactly like this right here. Okay. The only thing different, obviously, is going to be your affiliate link versus mine. Okay. That's the only difference. And the emails that you're sending out versus the emails that I'm sending out. Okay. So that's the only difference that you're going to see when it comes to these emails. Okay. So there's going to be two ways that you can make money with My Legion Secret. All right. Let me tell you those two. Okay. The first one, or two popular ways. Okay. So the first one is going to be promoting My Legion Secret itself. Okay. You can literally promote this company itself to the list that they're giving you, and you can make money that way. Okay. So you can pretty much go here to get started with that. All you have to do is obviously get your account activated, which I left a link below this video. But if you go over to the affiliate tab and then go to promo tools, and then you come down here to the emails, okay, you're going to be able to send out all of these emails right here, guys. Just send them out all, okay? And just for an example, all you would have to do is the email that you want to send out, just click on import email, okay? What that's going to do is going to take you to the mailing system, and it's going to allow you to select all right here, and it's going to allow you to send out that email. Okay, so all you would have to do is transfer those emails over here so they can get ready to go out. And then, as you can see, a subject line has been already made for you, and then also a body of text has already been made. Okay, so all you have to do is come down here, click on perfect timing, and then down here, make sure your affiliate link is in there, and then just come back here and click on send. Right? It's just that easy if you want to send out an email in the mailing system. I mean, in this mailing system. Okay. So that's how you do that. Okay. So that's going to be one way that you can make money with the system is just by promoting My Legion Secret itself. The other way to make money is going to be using a third party affiliate network platform, okay, such as we have places called ClickBank, okay, which is what we're using for the series. There's another company called Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, Max Bounty, Blue Media Ventures. Okay, I'm naming all of those places because those places I've ran traffic with them and I have earned income with all of those places. Okay, so I just wanted to tell you guys that. Okay, now what I can tell you is that ClickBank is what we're using for the series. It's going to be very easy to do is because this traffic they do respond very well to ClickBank offers. Okay, so that's why we are using ClickBank because those offers, you know, people on this list do respond to those offers. And another thing about this list, guys, these people care about making money online. Okay. So these are business opportunity subscribers that you have coming in to this list every single day. These people care about making money online. Okay. So these new leads, they all care about making money. Okay. So just remember that whenever you're setting up your email or looking for something to promote to this list, is these people care about making money. So those are going to be the two major ways that you're going to make money with this system. Okay. And if you use a third party network, all you're using, the cool thing about some of those emails is that, I mean, some of those offers on ClickBank is that they have pre written emails that you're going to be able to use. So all you have to do is grab one of those offers, grab the emails and just copy and paste them over to the mailing system. Okay, that's all you have to do. Okay, and if you go back and watch my previous videos, I go into detail on some of these ClickBank offers and show you how easy it is to mail out a email in the mailing system using an offer from ClickBank. Okay, so go back and watch those previous videos. Okay, but just all in a nutshell, let me come down here and as you can see, some of these emails I've already sent out this week. So if you go grab one here, and if you grab this email, this is an email that went out. This is what an email would look like. Okay. So you pretty much send this email out right here. And there's, like I said, there are pre-written emails that are in the business opportunity offers that on ClickBank. So all you got to do is copy and paste them over, just like I do. Okay, all these emails I'm just copying and pasting over. Okay, I'm not creating any of them. Okay, these are emails that are known to convert. Okay, so this is why I'm promoting these emails. All right, so as you can do that, as you get better and better at this, it's going to be easier and easier to do. Like I said, I got about 8 different accounts. It takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to send out emails in the mailing system. It's super easy, super effective. And that way I don't have to spend too much time on sending these emails out. About 5 to 10 minutes a day, and I'm getting paid to do it. Okay. So just that's what I just wanted to go over with you guys on how easy it is to send out an email in the mailing system. It's super easy to do, guys. Okay. Now, also, after you send lots of emails, they're going to be saved in this email section here. So if you click on that, it's going to show you all the emails that you have used already. And if you want to go back and just start all over and send those emails out all over again, you'll be able to do that. All right. So this is the My Legion Secret back office, guys. It's super easy to navigate through. If you got any questions, just, shoot me a message. Let me know, if you have any questions. Please subscribe to this video, subscribe to this channel. Okay. Like this video. Let me know what you think about this stuff. It does help the algorithm. It helps to get this out to other people who could be looking for making extra money. Okay. So we did send out emails last night. I got home a little late last night. I went to the fair yesterday. So I did get home a little late yesterday and I did send out my emails pretty late. Okay. It was closer to midnight as when I sent those emails out. So every night is when I send my emails out. I come in around the same time, same place every day to send out my emails anywhere between before midnight. Okay, so I like to do it like around between 10 and 11 to send those emails out. I like it pretty late because I'm always up late, and so it just works better for my schedule. But you can do it in the morning if you're a morning person. If you like getting up at 6, 7 o'clock, you can get those emails out. I wouldn't recommend sending them in broad in the day, like noon or 1 or 2 o'clock. I would either send them late at night or early in the morning. Okay, that's what I used to do. I used to send them out early in the morning. I'll get up at maybe 5 or 6 to send my emails out and then go back to bed for a little bit. Or I would wait till nighttime to send these emails out, which is I like it better because I do other stuff online. Okay, I do a lot of paid advertising and social media stuff online. So this is one thing that's super quick for that I can do. It takes me about 5-10 minutes, and then I can concentrate on other stuff that I do to actually make the money, majority of the money that I do online. Okay, so this right here, guys, is just some chump change that you can make starting out in the beginning. Okay, so if you need extra money for gas, groceries, utility bills, stuff like that, this is going to be extra income that you're going to be able to make to do it. All right. So today is September the 22nd. Um, what I like to do is do a last 30 days. For now, I'm gonna change it up eventually, but right now I'm just doing the last 30 days, and we're today's the 22nd. Okay, and these are going to be the results from the last 30 days. Okay, which is looks pretty good so far, right? So as you can see, there was a gap right here because I was out of town. But once I got back, this has been the algorithm since I got back from out of town from Nebraska. Okay. So as you can see, we got sales every day right here. You may miss a day. Okay. And then you may miss 2 days. Okay. So the thing about this in month five, okay, because we're in month five, this is the algorithm for month five. Okay, so we've been getting sales, but we have been hit and miss. Okay, so it's been before when we first started, if you go back and watch those videos, we get maybe one over here and one way over here. Okay, so right now we've gotten to a point where we are making a little bit more consistency on our sales. Okay, so as you can see, we did a few days here, and then we didn't get a sale right here, but then we got one right here. Okay, we got 2 days where we didn't get a sale, where we came back and we got 3 sales in a row. Okay, so that's how it is, guys. And like as you can see, 2 days in a row, we missed a day, we didn't get a sale. 2 days in a row again, we missed a sale. 2 days in a row. Okay, and then 2 days where we missed a sale. Now, I did want to point out something real quick. Right here, guys, is where we got 4 sales in a row. Okay. And this has not been done before. Okay. So what this tells me is that the algorithm is getting ready to change again. Okay. So we're going to get to a point where we're going to start, instead of seeing these 3 days back to back, we're going to start seeing 4 days. Okay. Which is good. Now, once you see, and this is the first time this has came in like this. Okay. Now, as we get further along in this series, okay, you're going to start seeing a little bit more of this. Okay, 4 sales in a row, and then eventually it's going to go 5 sales in a row. All right, and then after it goes 5 sales in a row, we're going to go 6 sales, and we're going to go 7 sales. We're going to get this thing. We're on autopilot, okay, so to speak, and making money every single day. All right. And that is the goal here, guys, is to come in here, send out emails every day and make a commission. Okay. That is our goal. And that's what we're going to do. Okay. There's some one thing about this method, guys, you have to stay consistent. Okay. You can't come in and you cannot come in and just send out an email one day maybe wait a couple of days, send out the next email, and just think you're going to make all this money. You have to come in and you got to hit it. Okay. You got to take this thing seriously. Okay. And that's one thing about me, which is I'm not don't know what kind of person that you are, but me, when I find out something works and I see that it does work and there's other people doing it, that motivates me and I will hit the ground running. Okay. And then I won't give up. I'm the type of person I just don't give up. Okay. I don't care if I'm not making sales or not, doesn't matter to me because I know there's a light at the end of the tunnel. As long as I put in the work and I get through that rough patch, okay, I will succeed. Okay. That's just my mentality. Okay. So that's what kept me with my Legion secret for so long is because for so long I wasn't making any money with this method. Okay. But I knew if I just spend maybe 5, 10 minutes a day coming in, sending out emails every single day, eventually this thing will turn into something. Okay. And it did turn into something. Okay. So now I'm just kind of showing other people on how to do this and if they want to get started and if they need the extra income. Okay. So that's why I'm here and that's why I'm doing what I'm doing right now for this channel. True Freedom Income. It's all about helping people. It's all about showing people ways to earn income online. So anything that I could do, that I could show you on how to do, that's super easy. Okay, then I'm going to do it for you. Okay. Now the more advanced stuff, there's not going to be a lot of people that's going to be following that because most people do not have the budget to go out and run paid advertising. Okay. So and there's some people that do. Okay. But the stuff that's low cost and doesn't cost a lot of money and some of the stuff is free, there's a lot of people that this can probably work for and that can probably help a lot of people. Okay. What could an extra $400 a month, $500 a month do for you? Okay. What could an extra $1,000, $1,500 do for you? What about an extra $2,000, $3,000 do for you? Okay. Could that help you out? Okay. Could that pay some bills? Right. Could that pay, maybe a water bill, a gas bill, a electric bill, okay? Help with car payment, mortgage, rent, whatever, okay? Groceries. Okay, if you're looking to earn the extra income online, this is going to be the type of income that you can make and you can keep this thing growing, okay? I wish I could give you a look into the future, but what I can tell you is that if you stick with this long enough, you will see progress in this and you will see results and you will start making money, okay? So I've sent out my emails tonight. I already sent out my emails not too long ago before this video. So my emails are already out and they're out, running. Okay. I did leave a link below this video. If you guys want to get started, if you come down here and click the more tab, you want to click on this tiny URL, MLGS True Freedom. Click on that link, guys. It's going to take you to the landing page of My Legion Secrets. This is where you're going to go and get started. Okay, guys. If you can come here and see, there's a lot of testimonials right here. Okay, there's a lot of people making money with this system. I'm not the only one making money with this system. There's other people doing it as well. Okay. So if you come here, you'll be able to see all these testimonials, okay? And you'll be able to see other people making money, all right? And you can too. They're no different. These people are no different from you, and I'm no different from you. I'm no one special, okay? I just simply found this method, seen somebody else doing it, and I just started to duplicate what they do. And I knew the fact that they were making money, three to $5,000 a month with this. I knew that I could do this and add an extra income stream to my revenue and get this thing working as well. Okay, so that's why I'm doing it now. So if you want to get started, guys, there is a one-time charge of $60 to get started, $30 a month to keep the service. It's just a no-brainer. Okay, I don't even have to go into detail. It's very inexpensive for what you're getting. You're getting thousands of people every single month subscribe to your account. Okay, and you can get in front of those people every single day. Okay, and these subscribers will add up months and months as long as you stay with the program, they're just going to add up and add up. Okay. So I recommend go ahead and get started now. After you get started to join my team, send me a message or comment. Let me know something, okay, that you did sign up. That way I can send you some special emails that I use that not a lot of people are using. Okay. So I would, just send me a message and I'll get those emails to you. Okay. So That's it, guys, in this video. I'm going to end this video on that note. I don't want to run too long. I just wanted to come in and show you guys how to do stuff, how to send out an email in the mailing system, which is super easy to do. And then I also wanted to show you the results from the last 30 days on what it would look like for you. Or you could even do better than this, within month 5 of doing this method. Okay, guys. So I'm going to end this video on that note. I'll come back here tomorrow and see you guys at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.